Welcome to Citation Builder. In this video, I am going to show you how to use spin text while creating the GMB post. If you wish to know more about the spin text, how to rewrite the contents, you can refer the Wikipedia. So from the action menu, click on the create new post button. Select multiple GMBs listing. Especially the spin text is useful when you are willing to publish the content on multiple GMB listings, but along with the unique text. So this is, I will add the title. I will add some spin text. So as we can see that this is the sentence which is spin, and we expect that system will create the text like Facebook is making Messenger more useful on the first GMB listing, and on the second GMB listing we expect that it will be Facebook creating Messenger a lot of useful. So in this way we need to use the spin text. So make sure that you select the spin text box so system can understand the text which you entered is a spin text and it need to be rewrite. Click on the continue button. From the drop down menu, select the image. Click on the below. Select the post type as the regular post type. If we wish to verify anything, we can click on the back. Here we can see that we selected the 2 GMB listings. Click on the continue. We'll add a CTA. On the continue, click on the preview button. It's showing that text available is spin. Now click on the post button. So once we click on the post button, system will create post on these 2 GMB listings with some unique contents. So the post created. Now we will check the post. So these are the 2 listings. First we will check this particular listing and we'll check another listing as well. So this is the text. It's showing that Facebook is making Messenger even lot useful, and here we can see that the text is Facebook is making Messenger even additional helpful. So you can see that the additional word is inserted. So this way you can use the spin text to make the post more unique. Thank you.